Hello lovely people and welcome back to this quick tutorial of Quick Guide. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video on how to make a group chat on Snapchat. Step 1. Open your Snapchat app. Firstly, you need to open your Snapchat application. And after opening the Snapchat application, just click to the chat button into the left side. Step 2. Create a new chat. Now after coming to your chat section, just simply click to these three dots into the top right corner, and after clicking there, you can see this option to create new chat. Just simply click onto that. Step 3. Create a new group. Now after coming to this create new chat section, you can see this new group option here. Just simply click onto that and select the person that you want to add into the group. Now after selecting all the people that you want to add into group, just simply click into this chat with group option here. Now your group is successfully created. By following these very easy steps, you can also make group chats on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.